Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this clip art of a sailboat and they want to get rid of the watermarks. I don't really have an opinion on what you use, and you could probably use this personally for a gift plaque or something. So I don't promote getting rid of, it's on the internet, but they put watermarks on there so nobody can use it, but people figured out how to use it. And I'm going to go about this a little bit different way than normally getting away with the watermarks. So I've got it, it's still 6 inches, but I'm going to leave it outline trace and clip art. And I'm actually going to, when it does it, I'm going to check remove color from entire image. And then I'm going to nudge it over, and you see it's already kind of done, except for it still has the watermarks. The old way I used to take the watermarks out were to left click, right click, and then remove the watermarks. Well, don't have to do that the way I'm going to do it now. If you will take a rectangle and put it around your item, I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, I'm going to set it on a blue, and I'm going to hit that right there, and I'm going to nudge it over. Now, if I hit this right here, I've got the sailboat. I've got the wave, but we want to put these other parts into there. So we don't want to do that step I just did. I still want the yellow box. I'm just trying to get rid of that blue boat. Okay. So we have this. So now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in all the little parts and then nudge it over. And by doing this, we're not, I really ought to zoom in to do this because I'm going to mess up here in a second. No, I got it. But I am going to zoom in for the little flag part. And by doing that, we're creating parts. And now I'm going to actually change my nudge factor, my Smart Fill to black. And I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over. Look at that. There you go. You're done. There's no watermarks. But then again, I'm not promoting doing this. And if we look at it under wireframe, or not wireframe, but just hairline, the watermarks are gone. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.